Hello, I am Tim and welcome to the Cadets instructional video. Today we'll be filling in NAV data sheets and how to convert bearings on a grid map to magnetic bearings and back again.
To start off, there are three main items you need to use for your NAV data sheet. The first is a grid map, the second is your NAV data sheet, and the third, if you're travelling, is a compass to get your bearings.
Let's take a look at our NAV data sheet. You'll see we have spaces for us to write below the headings for each information slot. The very first slot, serial, is allocated to using the map reference, e.g. what map you're using, which is shown on our map in the top left-hand corner. The second slot is allocated to your current location, and is obviously the third slot is allocated to where you want to go.
The fourth slot is allocated to the angle at which you must travel to get from your first point to your second. However, there is a magnetic variation to a grid north in different areas. Grid changes to magnetic, and this information is usually supplied to the map. An example on this map will be given in the top left-hand corner, where it tells us the magnetic north is 9 degrees east on this map. This means we take our grid bearing and add 9 degrees to it. This gives us our magnetic bearing.
The seventh slot is allocated to the estimated distance it would take to go from your first point to your second point. The eighth slot is also an estimation as to how long it should take to travel the said distance. The ninth slot isn't used as much, but refers to the general compass direction of where you are going in relation from the first point to the second. And lastly, the 10th slot is for writing remarks about the terrain you will cover when traversing the distance.